Good morning, students. Let us see problems in exercise 1.2 based on inverse trigonometric function. Question number 1. Find the derivative of the function y is equal to f of x using the derivative of the inverse function x is equal to f inverse y in the following. Question number 1. Y is equal to root of x. Solution. Y is equal to root of x. On squaring, we get y square is equal to x. Here, we differentiate with respect to x. We get 2y dy by dx is equal to derivative of x is 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2y. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x, because y is equal to root x. Therefore, in this way we get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. This is the one way of solving this question. But we have to solve this question by different way, by using the inverse function method. What is inverse function method? Theorem. Just now we have seen dy by dx, which in theorem of inverse function we have seen that we proved dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy, isn't it? So we use this result for solving this question. We know that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Now, which is equal to 1 upon dy of x, means what is the value of x? X is y square. Put x is equal to y square here. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y, isn't it? Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 and value of y is root x. Therefore, 1 upon 2 root x, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x, since y is equal to root x. So, remaining sum we will solve by using this method, isn't it? By using this method, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. We express given sum in terms, we express x in terms of y, and then we put the value of x, then we differentiate this with respect to y, and at last we put the value of y, and we get the answer dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. In this way we will solve remaining sums of this question, isn't it? Let us see the next sum. Now see second sum. Given that y is equal to square root of 2 in bracket minus root of x. Solution. Y is equal to square root of 2 minus root of x. On squaring we get y square is equal to 2 minus root of x, isn't it? Square root get cancelled by squaring. Therefore, we get y square is equal to 2 minus root of x. Therefore, x is equal to root of x is equal to what we get? 2 minus, transfer this root of x to the left side and y square to the right side. We get root of x is equal to 2 minus y square. Again, we have to square on both sides. On squaring on both sides, we get, therefore, root of x square means x is equal to, in bracket, 2 minus y square, bracket complete, whole square. Now we get the value of x. We express x in terms of y, isn't it? Now we know that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. That is equal to 1 upon dy of, put the value of x, that is in bracket 2 minus y square, bracket complete, whole square. Now differentiate this with respect to y. What is the differentiation of this? Consider this is as a first function, one function. Therefore, 1 upon 2 in bracket 2 minus y square, bracket complete, raised to power 2 minus 1 means 1, into d dy of 2 minus y square, isn't it? That is 1 upon 2 in bracket 2 minus y square into, now derivative of 2 is 0, derivative of minus y square is minus 2y. Thus we get minus 1 upon 2 into 2 4y in bracket 2 minus y square as it is. Now put the values. 1 minus 1 upon 4 as it is. What is the value of y? Y is square root of 2 minus square root of x into, what is the value of this bracket? 2 minus y square means 2 minus y square means 2 minus y square means root x. In this way, dy by dx is equal to, we get minus 1 upon 4 into root x into square root of 2 minus root x. In this way, we can solve this sum, isn't it? Let us see third sum. Y is equal to cube root of x minus 2. Given that y is equal to cube root of x minus 2, that is x minus 2 raised to power 1 by 3. Taking cube on both sides, we get y cube is equal to x minus 2, because 3 get cancelled. Y cube is equal to x minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to y cube plus 2. Transfer this to the left side. We get x is equal to y cube plus 2 and interchange the side. Now we express x in terms of y. We know that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy, which is equal to 1 upon d dy of, put the value of x, that is y cube plus 2, which is equal to 1 upon derivative of y cube is 3y square and derivative of 2 is 0 with respect to y. Therefore, we get 1 upon 3y square. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 3 into bracket y means, what is the value of y? X minus 2 raised to power 1 by 3 raised to power 2. That is 1 upon 3 into x minus 2 raised to power 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into 2 means 2 by 3. That is, what is the meaning of this? Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 3 cube root of x minus 2 whole square, because this is a square and 1 upon 3 means cube root. Thus, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 3 into cube root of x minus 2 whole square. In this way, we get the answer of this question. Let us see question number 4. Y is equal to log of 2x minus 1. Solution. Y is equal to log of 2x minus 1. Taking exponential on both sides means e raised to power y is equal to, exponential and logarithm get cancelled. Here on the right side we get 2x minus 1. Now transfer 1 to the left side. E raised to power y plus 1 is equal to 2x. Therefore, e raised to power y plus 1 upon 2 is equal to x. In this way, we express x in terms of y. Now we know that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Put the value of x here. 1 upon d dy of e raised to power y by 2 plus 1 by 2. What is the meaning of this? E raised to power y upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Now differentiate this with respect to y. Well, as it is 1 upon e raised to power y by 2. Differentiation with respect to y is e raised to power y by 2 plus 0. Why? Because derivative of constant is 0. Now, therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon, put the value of e raised to power y. E raised to power y means 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 upon 2. Thus, now this goes in numerator. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2 upon 2x minus 1. In this way, we complete this sum. Very simple sums are these. Let us see last sub question of this question. Number 1. Y is equal to log of x by 2 to the base 2. We know that log of a to the base b is equal to x. Then b raised to power x is equal to a. Similarly, log of x by 2 to the base 2 is equal to y here. Therefore, x by 2 is equal to 2 raised to power y. X by 2 is equal to 2 raised to power y. Therefore, x is equal to 2 into 2 raised to power y. That is, x is equal to 2 raised to power y plus 1. Laws of addition of indices. Now we know that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. That is equal to 1 upon dy of 2 raised to power y plus 1. Now derivative of this with respect to y is 2 raised to power y plus 1 into derivative of y is 1 into log 2. That is 2 raised to power y plus 1 means 2 raised to power y into 2 into log 2. 1 as it is 1 upon 2 raised to power y into 2 into log 2. Now 2, otherwise you can put the value here. This, what is the value of this? This is equal to 2 raised to power y plus 1 means x. Directly we can get the answer. From this step we can get this answer. No need to write this step, isn't it? Put the value of 2 raised to power y plus 1 is equal to x here into log 2. Means dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into log 2. In this way we complete question number 1. Remaining questions we will see in coming video, isn't it? Of exercise 1.2.